Today I have a Mini Countryman and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the air conditioner and heater within this Mini Countryman. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm inside of the Mini Countryman. In order to operate the air conditioner and heater, you'll want to look towards the middle console. And do you see the middle console right here? I'm going to go in a little bit closer so you can see this. So I have the middle console. And in order to adjust this right here, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the controls. There's one on the left and right that can actually control the temperature. Now, this one on the left right here is for the driver's side, but it can control the left side if they both are in sync, and we'll get to that momentarily. So I'm in here, okay? As you can see right here, the knob for the temperature, you go clockwise, it raises the temperature. Left or counterclockwise, it lowers the temperature. All right, do you see that? Now, this is just the temperature, okay? This is just allows the gauge to the system to know if you want it hot or cold. The passenger side also has the same function. They can actually control it too. But in order to get the air conditioner to be operating, you have to have the air conditioner on, which is down here. Do you see this button right here? It says AC. That has to be lit up for you to get the air conditioner in the traditional sense to blow out the super cold air. If this is not lit up, then you will just be getting air that hasn't been heated if you turn the temperature down, but it will not be air conditioner. All right, so we'll get to that momentarily. So right here, I have right here is another function right here. This controls the fan speed. Okay, you can turn it all the way off by going counterclockwise and it goes off, but if I go right, it actually turns on the fan speed right there. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fan speed goes all the way up to 7. I can turn it down low. There is an auto feature where you can set the temperature. Okay, you press auto and it automatically adjusts for you. Okay, it adjusts the fan speed if it needs to be warmer or whatever, and it has the auto feature. If I don't want to use the auto feature, I can just simply twist the wheel. It changes the temperature or changes the fan speed. But if I don't want to do auto, I can press something like this, the bottom button right here. This bottom button manually changes it, and it right now it's directing the airflow to go at my face and at my feet. If I press it again, now it is just going towards my feet. If I press it one more time, it's coming out of the, I believe, the wind over the windshield and the feet, but now it's just the windshield. If I press it again, it's the windshield and at my face. Okay, so you can keep on toggling it through until you get the correct airflow that you want. Okay, so that's fan speed and direction. Did you see I pressed it one more time? And it's blowing at my feet, face, and at the windshield, to upwards. Okay, so that's that. All right, now I'm going to go down here. Okay, so it has a seat warming feature on both the driver's side and passenger side. And so when I press this, it turns the seat warmer on high. You see 3 buttons right here, 1, 2, 3. Now if I press it again, it's the medium. Press it again, it is at low. Press it again, it is off. Now come on to this side. I press this once, it's on high, medium, low, and off. That's for the passenger side. All right, so we have that. We have the heat, the seat warmers. Now we have the max. Okay, so this right here, I press the max, and it's blowing the maximum amount at the windshield to remove fog or uh, uh, frost. If you have frost on your windshield, it actually can help thaw out the defrost. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off by simply pressing it again, and it goes off. This right here is for the rear window. This is rear window defrost right here, or defog right here. I press this, it turns on, and the rear window is now in defrost mode. If I want to turn that off, I just go right here. And this right here is recirculating. So automatic, manual, I believe right here, but this is recirculating the air. AM, I'm not exactly sure. I have to check that one out. But right here, this is the AC button right here, and that turns the AC on. And then there's a max AC. Now the max AC, it does what it says. It turns on the AC to the max. And when it does that, it actually has the AC on right here, blowing out super fast, super hard. And this right here, the max, it's actually having the air recirculate within the car. Because if it recirculates in the car, it can cool it much more efficiently rather than pulling air from outside, unless outside is super, super cold, colder than the air inside. So it automatically switches to that, okay? And turn it off right here. All right, so that is the max AC. And that's pretty much in a nutshell how you can control the air conditioner and heater in a Mini Countryman. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.